Alright, the goal for today is to get the transmission out. Shouldn't take that long, hopefully. The other day I took out the forward top, the pin and bolts to get to, which are at the top. I got the 2 at the top right here, and then the 2 on the side top. So those are out right here. So all I had to do is take out, I think there's 14 total. I don't know, we gotta look at it, but it shouldn't be that hard. But I'm gonna start off by taking off the Y pipe right here. The Y pipe, I think we leave the mid pipe in, but might just take that off just to create some more room. And then the drive shaft, which is nice. This is a one-piece drive shaft, so it's just the 4 bolts that go to the diff that you need to undo, and then the clips, the wiring harness and stuff. But yeah, the goal today is just to at least drop it, because I don't have the clutch or anything anyways, so I can't, it's not like I could put it together, but at least get that ready for when the clutch kit comes in. And then I found a transmission jack from Harbor Freight. That's gonna make it a whole lot easier, because I've done transmissions with just the jack by myself and it's not fun. So I figured I'll save myself a few gray hairs and just invest in a transmission jack. Alright, let me get the other side. Oh, too long. Any short one. BRB. Okay, calm down. Oh. Ow. Alright. Probably leave that. Since I guess the muffler's not holding up, it's just hanging by the one exhaust hanger for the mid pipe. I think it'll be fine right there. I think that's enough space for me to take out the drive shaft right there. So I just need to take out those 4 bolts and hold it to the diff, and it comes out. Oh man, it's hot in here. Too lazy to plug the battery to put the windows down though. You know what, I should do that. Oh well, too late. Okay. This thing's like melted. There we go. That's it. So everything on the top is done. Now back to the fun under the car. So here's that the last bolt that holds it. The nut's on this side, on the driver's side right there. That's the last thing holding it. The shifter is probably gonna shoot up into the car now. Yep. See how it pop. Just gonna put that bolt there so I don't lose it. Back. It's missing the plate. There's supposed to be like a plate right here, because obviously you can see that's the flywheel. It's supposed to be a plate to protect things from going in there, obviously, but it doesn't have it. So it looks like I need to order another part, because I would like to have that covered. I don't want things flying in there and messing stuff up. Well, that's unfortunate.
believe in it. Market geometry.
I think I got it. I got it. Oh man, I gotta put this shit together.
Trying to paddle out? I understand now. And got another shortboard. Transmission. Oh, it looks. I've been watching.
Go. It works.
I 100% believe. Look, our government is not fucking. They're people just like everyone else, dude. This wraps around it?
Oh, it's supposed to, yeah. Oh, it should be good though.
Should be good.
Because it's not gonna fall because it's in this transmission tunnel, so it can't go side to side.
Okay.
But
hey, you the boss, bro. You know more than me.
I ideally want that. That's the correct way.
That's Havasu, right?
Can you just make sure those wires aren't gonna get caught? Cause it's about to come down. All right. Let me pull the transmission back a little bit more. Oh, there we go.
There we go. All right, and then that seems clear. Yep, that seems good to me.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, it just kind of choke. Oh, darn the oil! Shit. Oh, whatever. Do it now. You can let it go.
Okay.
Yeah, just let that shit drop. Do not get hurt over it.
I'm out. I'm scared. This is my fear.
Oh, there goes the oil.
Is this oil still though?
Oh yeah.
Is that transmission fluid?
Yeah. It just spilled everything. And that's all the transmission fluid. Man, I wanted to save that. I was trying to do it so it didn't tilt, but oh well. Okay. As long as it's not like connected to the car.
Yeah.
To where, you know, because the yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
What?
Yeah.
More?
Yep. There we go.
There you go?
Yep. That's it. God damn, it's heavy. I know the struggle.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of space.
Yeah, that's good then. I wonder what kind of clutch that is. Well, yeah, that's it.